What's up, guys? Welcome to A Deal a Day. I'm Etienne Martel. Today we're going to be analyzing a duplex in Crafton Heights, Pennsylvania. It's kind of the outskirts of Pittsburgh. So I'm going to analyze it and show you how I would calculate how much net cash flow you can generate from this property if you bought it all cash. Alright, so this is the property here on the left. And then on the right, we have a spreadsheet, and we're just going to put in numbers throughout here. And it's basically going to calculate some other numbers for us, like the cap rate, annual net cash flow, and some expenses as well. So, number of units, it's 2 units, bed bath. They're both 2-1. It's 4 beds, so each unit has 1 bathroom. If you want to double check, you can go here, scroll down to here, property details, and it'll give you the multi-unit information. Number of units, 2. Unit 1, 2 bedroom, 1 bath. And then unit 2, 2 bedroom, 1 bath. They have the monthly rent on here as well. We can just put note. We can keep note if you want to. $750 per unit. I can remove this. So they may say $750 per unit, but we definitely want to check by ourselves to verify that. So let's look at the photos, see how much rehab it is. By the way, since it's brick, that's definitely good. Brick lasts a lot longer than like wood sidings. Brick lasts forever. It's great. So you probably want to get some of these weeds and whatever this is removed. I know that can damage after a while, even to brick. Here you're gonna have to fix these holes. Hopefully those aren't major. Floors look good though. Let's figure out what that is. Another hole. So there could be water damage in the roof, which causes a leak, and then eventually it'll make a hole in the ceiling. Obviously needed a new door. Look at that shit. That just looks like it's been underwater. It's so crusty. That looks good shape, actually. Definitely get it checked though. Bathtub, that doesn't look good. That could be water damage. Hopefully that's not the hole underneath. That you probably want to change the floor on this. This looks like water damage. Carpet, definitely gonna change that. Probably gonna take these off as well, because why not? Change the carpet. I don't think you can clean those. Hopefully that's not like dog piss or cat piss. It's gross. You're definitely gonna need to change it then. Here, it's a small kitchen. These cabinets look good. Look good though. So maybe we can keep that kitchen. That. Floors look good. And their hole. Was that there before? Oh, okay. House power, 2nd floor, 1st floor. 3 electrical panels. 2 hot water tanks. These look new. These don't look so new. That's old. That could be the what's it called? They have sometimes they have pumps in the bottom. Oh no, that could be the water. What is that? Yeah, I don't know. Whatever, you can move past it. Don't need to trip on that. Meters. Those are kind of old. Okay, but looking at renovations, floors are good throughout the whole thing. This bathroom looks pretty good. You definitely want to check this tub, make sure that's all good and everything. I might say maybe like 40K, 20K each unit, because there could be a lot of unknown water damage as well. I don't know, you definitely want to check that before you actually purchase the property fully. You want to make sure that there isn't a bunch of hidden repairs. So you want to do what you can to find those and solve it, because you can do some steps. So offer price, let's see, listed for 34,900. Oh, let's find square footage. Scroll down, 2244, and then see square foot per unit. It'll calculate, so it'll do this divided by how many units there are, 2 units, so it's 1122 per unit. It's pretty good. Alright, so offer price, we can kind of figure that out in a little bit. Let's look for the rent. So let's go here. Get this. Get the address. Go to Zillow. Search. This. Where's the map? There it is. Okay. So the property is probably like right here. All right. Alright, so let's find what is for rent in this area. Like what unit. So we need to find this unit, one of these units, for 1,122 square foot or around it, and see how much it rents for, to see what the competition would be if we wanted to list this unit for rent. So if we move the boundary. It's in Crafton Heights, so it's like, yeah, it's over here somewhere, right? Okay. So let's see, 800 is a 21775. And we want to look at the finish of the unit as well, make sure it's not extremely nice, because then we can't use that as a comparable property. So I would say that ours is similar-ish, at least somewhat similar. 800, decent as well, nothing great. Okay, so let's just say 800 each, right? The other guy was saying 750, because that's for that quality. So we could put some repairs to boost that. So gross rent, it'll be, let's say, 800, right? Oh, that's each unit though too, so maybe 800 times 2, 1,600. So we could even put like, yeah, I probably wouldn't put less repairs, because you don't know how much the roof is and all the that water damage. You don't know if there's mold or what else is going on. So just to be safe. You also haven't used the contractor before, most likely, so that could bring some issues, because things happen. Let's go. Let's find the taxes now. So you can go back to Redfin. And let's keep scrolling. Where is it? Here we go. Tax record for 2019 is 928. That is cheap. I'm just gonna, okay, we can do that. 928. That's good. Okay, so it's $1,600. Oh no, sorry. $77 monthly for your taxes. Basically, you're gonna take that out of your gross rent, right? The rent that you collect. You're gonna subtract property management, which is like 10% most likely. If it's more, you calculate it, but 10% is 160 every month. Then taxes, then you have insurance as well. You're gonna have some utilities as well with the property. And so that's gonna basically be your holding costs for the property every single month. All right, so after this is the buying and selling costs, and this is basically your realtor fees. If you have a realtor, you can change this accordingly to whatever you pay your realtor. I just put $1,500. $1,500 when you buy, $1,500 when you sell. This is a buy and hold, so you'll only have to pay once. So basically, the total. Let me see. Let's put in a purchase. What are we gonna purchase it for? Let's put in like 32, because we always want to get a better deal on it, right? So it's gonna be 32 plus this estimated rehab. Okay. Plus your holding costs for 6 months, because that's gonna be kind of your for your renovation. And then one of your buying and selling costs. It'll just be one on this, right? So your total is 75,824. So that's going to be the total that you have to pay, right, to basically have this property up and running and cash flowing. And then from this, looks like your monthly net cash flow could be about $1,200 right here. Your annual net cash flow then is 14,552. Your cap rate is 19.19%. So that's a pretty good deal if you're buying this all cash. You could of course get a mortgage on this as well. You'll just have to add that expense to your holding cost every single month. You have to pay a mortgage, and then so you might have less monthly cash flow coming in. And net cash flow means it's basically your cash flow, whatever falls through like the net of your cash flow. So that's all the expenses and everything. It catches all the expenses. So whatever falls through, it's just like profit on your property after expenses is what it is. So that's basically how I would analyze this property right here. Alright guys, thank you for watching another A Deal a Day. This deal looks pretty good. It's been on Redfin for 175 days, so there could be a lot of issues. So you can definitely talk to the realtor. They might have some more information. If not, then you might just have to balance out the rehab with like a smaller purchase price. You just have to twist the numbers around, play with them. But yeah, this one looks pretty good. It looks like you can get about $1,200 monthly net cash flow after all your expenses and everything like that from buying it all cash. So looks like a good deal. $14,000 a year. So thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one.